Bop, 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 bop. All right, and we're off. I'm a little behind. It's 9 o'clock. It's Friday, TGIF, and I'm on my way to the machines. I am going to. I'm going to pick up some money, but I'm not going to do that until later on this afternoon because I'll pick up at the end of the day. Anyway, it's Friday, and I'm a little excited, but at the same time, I have a lot of anxiety. You would think that it being Friday, I'm going to pick up some money, okay? That's waiting for me. That it'd be a good day. What's going on? They sleeping up there? But I think every entrepreneur um, fights two voices: the one that dreams and the one that doubts. And whichever voice you let win, or whichever voice is the loudest, is, I guess, is going to win. And it's amazing how, I'm up. I mean, for the most part, I'm in a pretty good mood today. It's Friday. I mean, how could you not be in a good mood? I'm just happy it's Friday. But it's Friday. I got a lot of rest last night. I went to sleep. I went to bed fairly early. And I put the water, like this a water stream sound on. Oh my goodness. I actually had some good rest last night. And I'm going to do it again. I was doing that before and I stopped. But I'm going to have to do it again because last night I slept. And so I woke up around 4 o'clock. Now, what I wish I would have done was prepare the items that I'm going to be putting in the machine the night before. But this morning, I will give myself credit, was a little less chaotic than most of my mornings are. It's Friday. I always have a little anxiety when I'm going to service the machines. Simply because, I don't know, it's machines, they act up sometimes. I want the customers to have a great experience. The other day I was going there and, of course, my crazy thoughts were working overtime. And I walk in and this lady was like, "Oh, look, it's our favorite person." She was talking about me. And on the drive over there, I was like, "Oh my gosh, I hope nothing's wrong with this machine. I hope everything is okay. I want the customers to be happy or whatever." I'm all worried and everything. And when I get there, everybody's like, "Oh my gosh, what do you have? We're so happy you're here." So, yeah, today's Friday. And I do have a lot of things that I haven't done. And I probably won't do today. I'll try to do it next week. Maybe I'll try to make a list. That's one thing I have to do is do more of, I guess, is get a little bit more organized and like my things that I need to get done, like things to do. I'm not. It's just like I need to get it out of my head and put it down on paper. Like things I need to do today. I need to make phone calls. I had to send out some emails. I've been needing to send out some emails. I haven't done it. So when I get home, that is going to be a goal for the weekend and then moving forward. So today I'll probably sit down as best as I can because I have a little bit of ADHD. So I get a thought and an idea or something, and whatever I'm doing at the moment, it's over. I forget. I start doing something else. So I have to sit down and like maybe schedule the upcoming week. I'm gonna try to do that. It's gonna be tough because I'm not really good at stuff like that. I'm just like day by day, what needs to be done today. But that's not always the best way. So I'm gonna go put the stuff in the machine. I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as I can. And I can never get in and out as quickly as I want to. But I'm gonna try. And then later on, I'll come back and I'll pick up the money. So right now, the goal is to get in, fill up whatever needs to be filled up, and my inventory is really low. I have to, when I get home, also have to make a list of what needs to be ordered and get that going. We are at today is the 24th. So we're almost at the end of the month. All right, we're here now. Let me find a parking spot. Let's find a parking spot.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.